preserved properly, you can enjoy its refreshing taste even months later. Let's start. I've got fresh falsa right here. Just look at them. First, we gently wash the falsa. Rinse them 2 to 3 times in clean water to remove any dust, dirt, or impurities. Now, this step is very important. Spread them on a clean cloth or tissue and let them dry completely. Make sure there is no water left. Otherwise, ice crystals can form during freezing. Now, keep them in the refrigerator for a short while. This helps reduce extra moisture and keeps them fresher before freezing. Next, we portion them into small plastic zip bags. Tip: pack in small quantities so you only take out what you need each time. And finally, place these bags in the freezer. That's it. Your falsa is now perfectly preserved for months. You can use it anytime, whenever you want that refreshing summer taste. Pro tip: once thawed, use immediately. Do not refrigerate.